Hi there, friends. Welcome to our farm adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing animals that live on the farm. Are you ready to learn their names and hear the sounds they make? Let's go. Let's meet the cow. Cows say. Let's meet the sheep. Sheep say. Let's meet the goose. Goose say. Let's meet the horse. Horse say. Let's meet the chicken. Chicken say. Let's meet the goat. Goat say. Let's meet the donkey. Donkey say. Let's meet the duck. Duck say. Thanks for joining me on the farm today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fun, and share it with your friends. See you next time for another exciting adventure. Bye-bye.